Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com, or reach me at 423-889-4227. Serving the southern Tennessee area, North Georgia, and Northeast Alabama. This presentation is on the LT and RH used trucks 2018 and newer with less than 550,000 miles. I want to make sure that you know you can stand proud with our trucks because we stand with you. Over a comprehensive warranty that you'll receive with your truck purchase of a 2018 less than 550,000 mile A26 or Cummins ISX engine. What that means to you is that we have a quality product that we're not worried about standing behind. Not only do we have over 700 locations with which to support you on the road, and over 300 locations for Loves and Speedco that can take care of minor warranty for up to 3 hours. There's a caveat to that with the state of Texas and the state of Louisiana where they cannot offer that program. So let's take a look at the LT. This is the A26 engine. It's our Alpha project. We have a 126 bore. That gives us the A26. 450 horsepower coupled with an Eaton transmission 10-speed. One of the benefits of this is a 1.2 million mile B10 rating, and we're only at 400,000. That's one of the reasons we have great confidence in this product. The major engine components covered in this is the rods, mains, crankcase, shaft positions, turbocharger, rocker arm assembly, manifold. Ah, heck, it's right here on this wall. The after treatment includes the diesel particulate filter, the doser, the SCR, the urea filter. But quite honestly, let's take a look at what the truck looks like inside. Come on with me, guys. You want to talk about comfort and luxury. Look at the fact that we have the self-cleaning steps to get into the cab, featuring a wonderful high-quality interior. So this is our interior space. I want to make sure that you know high-quality seats, skirted, interior and exterior armrests, power on the doors, including a heated mirror, beautiful West Coast mirrors on the outside. Tilt and telescopic steering column incorporates our cruise control, our phone control, and our marker interrupt. Let's take a look at the dash. It's brilliantly laid out with a high contrast screen, followed by a dashboard set out for you to be able to do your engine brake, exhaust brake, thermostatic controls, and including, of course, access to your radio. The interior of the LT product, high rise, wonderful for a 6'4" person to stand up on the interior. This particular high roof cab features cabinets on the driver's side, cabinets on the passenger side, and full controls in the back with the air conditioning. And take a look. This particular truck includes the refrigerator. You can even have that. No kitchen sink, but the refrigerator. Now that's what you call a high-class interior. On the exterior, we have the DEF tank on this particular truck, the 80-gallon aluminum tank, catwalk to get into the back, and take a look at the back. You already have load lock storage for your load locks. These tires are brand new. They're brand new because we took this from a super single truck down to a tandem axle for better market availability. This includes bright finish aluminum wheels with the 295 75R 22.5-inch rubber. Our final item that may or may not come with the truck that you buy, but on this particular truck, is the Thermo King APU auxiliary power unit. This is the Evolution Tri-Pack by Thermo King. You now have the ability, as you're on the road, to keep your power inside the cab when the truck is off, thereby maximizing engine life even further. Again, with International's used truck program on 2018 product, RH and LTs, you have to just worry that it's a 2018 and it has less than 550,000 miles. If it has the A26, if it has the Cummins engine, we got you covered for 1 year, 100,000 miles. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com, because here's the kicker. The kicker is you buy from me, I'll take care of the forms. There are 3 things we got to do. You like the truck, we fill out the form, I'll work my service part, make sure it passes its health report, and we'll get you submitted. You can catch me again, Lee Smith, 423-899-4227. Go make it a great day.